Hello everyone. It was just so exciting to meet all of you just now, and I look forward to seeing the different type of social media response that you have to Arabella's talk. I think it will be so fun and meaningful. Now, here I'm going to introduce the next week's assignments to you. This is called Web Development 1, Developing Your Own e-portfolio. As I have introduced the concept of electronic portfolio, you understand that it is basically a website where you put your practices, what you know about technology and special education into this website. Now we use Google Sites because it is a free website and it is backed up by one of the largest computer companies in the world, and so we know it is here to stay, and it is free to use, and it is really quite powerful too, and so that's why we are using it. So when you come to this the page, you should watch this video as an introduction to Google Sites first, and then you should watch also this video. It talks about how Google Sites and other Google tools are being used in an education setting. And now, to learn how to use Google Sites, you're welcome to just go ahead and set up an account and explore it if you already have some experience with creating websites or creating blogs and things like that. But you are also welcome to watch this video first. If you click here, it will give you an introduction to Google Sites. If this is not something that you have done before, I encourage you to watch this video. Okay? Now, for Google Sites, we actually have many different instructional videos that are just for Google Sites. So if you click on this link, you will see that there are more than a dozen websites. Okay, more than a dozen videos that relates to different topics in Google Sites. Okay, so these are all videos that relate to Google Sites, and they will be helpful to you as you do this and future assignments that relate to Google Sites. And so, what's your assignment? Your assignment is to create your own electronic portfolio, okay, which is basically just a website, okay? And the website need to have, for now, just 3 web pages. One is a home page. In this home page, you need to introduce yourself. Okay, just type something and treat it like this is a website to introduce yourself as a special educator. Okay, you don't want to make it too casual. Okay, because this is not a personal website that is for your wedding or for the family road trip. Okay, this is to introduce yourself as a special educator. Okay, so say something that relates to that, and insert a picture that you have edited using Picasa. Okay, the reason for using Picasa is also this is a Google product and it is free of charge, and you can put all your pictures there and you can edit them, and I don't care how you edit it. I just want you to have experience in trying to use some of their tools. If you say, hey, Brother Chen, I don't use Google Picasa, I use a different program to store and edit my photos, is that okay? That is okay. Okay, I just want you to feel comfortable in editing a photo. And so if you want to edit that photo and put it in your website, that's all I'm asking. And where I have video tutorials right here to teach you how to use Picasa, and I also have a video tutorial here to teach you how to embed a picture into your website. And when you're done, you should have a web page that is something similar like this. Just have some text introduction, have a picture. All right. Or the nicer one is actually Valerie's one that she used to demonstrate to you today. And you also need to create 2 additional web pages, okay? And one of the web page should be called graphing. And then another web page should be called intervention video. And for now, you don't need to have any content in those web pages. The reason for this is just to show me that you know how to create web pages, okay? So just create 2 additional web pages and put it in your website. And you also need to have a menu bar. A menu bar is like, right here. Okay, this is a menu bar, and the menu bar will take you to the different the 3 different pages that you have created. Okay, it should have a navigation section and an IPT387 course links section. And under the navigation section, it should have the 2 menu items, graphing and intervention video. You don't need to create a link just to the home page, because when people click on the title of your websites, they will already go to the home page. All right, and so under the IPT course section, it should have 4 menu items. One is the course homepage. The course homepage should be linked to this website, my class website. And the reason for it being there is that after you have created this link to my course homepage, from that on, you don't need to even remember, what my URL is, or you don't need to go to Learning Suite. You just go to your own website, and there's the link to this course website. So it is important for you to have the link to course webpage, homepage. And since we have made some changes to digital dialogue and gradebook, so I'm going to take these 2 away. And so you just need to have course homepage and video tutorial. Okay. And to learn how to create and edit the menu bar, click right here. And to see an example, look right here. Okay, so these are the links that I am not asking for. And when you're done, then just send the URL to us using the class email address right here. All right. If you want to see samples from other students, click right here, and you will be able to see the examples from the students last semester. Okay, so that's what you need to do next week. And if you have any questions, send us an email. Thank you.